Hey everybody, welcome to Meat's Plant-Based Kitchen. This morning we're in the Midwest of Illinois where we have breakfast skillets every day. So I'm making a vegan breakfast skillet. We have your diced potato, bell peppers, some red onion, avocado, mushroom, and then if you're getting real fancy you can add in extra tempeh or bacon flavored bits or any store-bought vegan sausage. And then we also have an avocado rose with fruit on some sprouted grain toast. There's not too many ingredients to this dish. We just have some potatoes, portobello mushroom, 2 bell peppers for color, you can use 1, and then some red onion. Starting with the potato, I'm gonna dice it up. You don't have to be too pretty or exact. I'm using 4 medium to small potatoes. This will feed quite a few people. So the smaller the dice, the faster it'll cook. And then I forgot to preheat the pan. Just make sure you start doing that before you chop everything. And that's just on a medium to high heat. And we can put everything into one bowl. Do the onion next. We're going to dice half the onion. Just doing a quick dice. The portobello, you want to slice it up. It's all up to your preference for size. And I'm just going to cut these into little chunks. And then with the red and green pepper, so you don't get any bit of the middle. And then we're just going to dice these up also. If your knife is not very sharp, slice the pepper this way instead of with the skin on top, or else you'll cut yourself. So once the pan's hot enough, you want to add your oil, and you're just going to drizzle a little bit on there. With the cast iron, make sure the oil's heated up all the way, or else you'll have things stick to the bottom. And then we're going to add the whole bowl of everything at once. Give it a good mix. Add your salt and pepper. So while the skillet is in the pan, you can prepare your avocado. We're going to go ahead and use a whole avocado today. For 1/2, we're going to dice it up. Make sure you don't cut yourself with a knife, especially in your hand. And then the other half, we're going to make a rose for some toast. Trick with the rose is a good avocado, soft hands, and thin slices. So as the skillet is cooked down and potatoes start to soften up, I'll pull everything to the side, create a little bit of room for the tofu eggs. So at the beginning I've wrapped and dried off some tofu. This is about half a package. And we're just gonna crumble it up over the pan. You don't have to be too pretty with it. Let it cook like so for a few minutes to get out any excess water, and then we'll add our seasonings. After the tofu is cooked in the pan for a few minutes on each side, you want to add in your seasonings. And in this dish, we have about a tablespoon-ish of curry powder and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Just help give it the egg look. And then a little bit more salt. And then a splash of almond milk. And mix it all up. And we've magically created eggs. Throw on a little bit of pepper. And then I have about 2 cups of kale. We're just gonna add that on top, let it cook down. Once it starts to cook down, we'll mix all this up. And while that's starting, I'm gonna toast off some toast. So after a few minutes, the kale or spinach or whatever greens you decide to use will cook down. And it's ready to plate. Intense action right now. Some very intense action.